Want to add another layer of security to your WhatsApp account on your iPhone 17? You can enable App Lock, a built-in security feature that requires Face ID or your device passcode before anyone can open the app. This helps prevent unauthorized access to your WhatsApp chats and personal messages. Here's how to turn on App Lock in WhatsApp on the iPhone 17 series. Before you begin, make sure Face ID is already set up and active on your device. Once that's ready, open WhatsApp and sign into your account if needed. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. In your account settings, scroll down and tap Privacy. Next, scroll down until you find App Lock, then tap it. You will see a switch next to Require Face ID. Tap the switch to turn the feature on. After enabling it, choose your preferred unlock time interval. You can select immediately, after 1 minute, after 15 minutes, or after 1 hour. Just tap the option you prefer. Once selected, close WhatsApp, then open it again to test the feature. Depending on the unlock interval you chose, your iPhone will ask you to authenticate with Face ID before allowing access to the app. If you decide you no longer want to use App Lock, simply repeat the same steps. Return to Privacy, open App Lock, and turn off the Require Face ID switch to disable it. And that's it. If this video helped you secure your WhatsApp account, give it a like or check out our other videos to learn more privacy and security features on your iPhone. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more helpful tips.